Welcome to American Railroad Volume number 37, as we take a trip to Chicago along the Union Pacific Geneva Sub from Ellwood to Rochelle. Metra passenger services out to Elburn are seen. Freight trains on their way towards Chicago. Commuter stations are visited along the route. Heavy haul power through some rain-soaked platforms. Manifests forging their way west. The busy junction at West Chicago with Metra Commuter trains. And Canadian National Freights along the old EJ&E. Open country scenes near Creston. And snowy conditions at the Rochelle Railfan Park. All this and more as we head for Chicago and a journey along the UP Geneva Sub.